Okay, so the barbecue seems to be working quite well. Obviously it's a bit high, but I think it'll be alright. Where's Charlie gone?
I don't know.
Alright.
Someone.
Yeah.
Play.
Mhm. Alright.
Charlie, I made the barbecue, your tent even better now. Have a look. I connected it nice. I connected it nicely. No, really, go look. See, it's better. It's better. Look. It's better. It's better, Charlie.
What's better about it?
Come look. It's better. You can lie in it. Oh, I think you might have to turn it over now.
No, I think it'll be alright. Okay, I'll just leave them.
I think you might have to turn them over.
Yeah,
No, they'll be alright.
3.
They'll cook anyway, even if I don't turn them over, I think.
Turn over.
You have to turn them over.
No, not yet.
No!
What?
They're turning brown.
Yeah, it's cooking, Charlie.
They're turning black.
They're not turning black.
Yeah.
What are you talking about? Not black
Turn
at all.
over.
Alright, I'll have a look. Hold that.
Told you.
They're not black at all.
Yeah, but they're meant to be like that. They're meant to just be exactly like that.
Let me look.
Turn them over.
I'm gonna.
See? Leave it.
Perfect. Can't get that
Yeah.
far. Is that
Yum,
perfect?
yum, yum,
Yeah.
yum, yeah. Yum, yum. That's my dinner. It's sizzling like a sausage.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one looks fine.
Alright. They're going okay. You can stop it now if you want.